Alright guys, so I have right here what I've been waiting for most so far. It's the air suspension, the actual parts that go on the suspension replacing the coils. It's the Air Force air suspension control system. Just got it and I'm really excited about it. You guys know it's from my E92 335. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, see what's inside. I'm gonna bring the camera closer so I can show you guys what I have here. Alright. Here it is. What's inside? So what we got here? We got the Air Force suspension control system booklet. Okay. So this is like an intro. Well, this is the air system, the air management system from air suspension, from Air Force. I'm sorry. So it's pretty nice. This booklet is like older products, but it's really nice. Right here we have some instructions, I guess. Installation instructions. Okay. More in the back. Let's see what else we got here. Alright, we got a banner. This banner, what is this? It's for like a garage or something. Yeah, I'm not gonna put it on my dirty ass garage because it's fucking dirty and I have to clean it up and fix all those boxes that I got from. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, so let's get into the stuff. So here we got some of the coil adjuster wrenches, I guess. Oh, and the dampening little screws here, right there. Alright. Okay, so let's see. So we got something else in here. Like right here. Okay. Damn, dude. Look at this. Looks so nice. This goes towards the wheel. To be honest, this feels like quality material. Honestly, it does feel very quality. It doesn't feel no cheap at all. I mean, this wasn't a cheap. It seemed like a cheap brand or anything, but it's not like KW or anything like that. But it's not. Its purpose is not to be like performance suspension. It's just to be looking. So here we have here another one. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Oh. Okay, I guess these are the rear shocks. Damn, this thing looks so badass, bro. Like, honestly, it looks sick as fuck. Does it have dampening? Yeah, it has dampening on the adjustment on the top. Let me show you. Just put the dampening adjusters. This thing honestly looks so sick. It looks like it's quality build. It definitely looks like quality build. So it's really freaking dope. It's pretty hefty. It does look like, I say it again, hefty, premium quality. I guess. I mean, from the coils I had before, from my Focus car, my little Focus, which had aftermarket race hand coils. This seems to be much better quality, much nicer. And now here's the bag air springs for the bag. So this is independent for the bag. You got your spring and you got your shocks for the bag. Completely apart. This is pretty hefty, the brake, but it looks much high quality. Much higher quality than the ones what I've seen for airlift. I guess airlift is pretty good too, but I decided the reason I went with this one is that I think the bags they use with these ones are the bags they use is universal airbags. I believe it's the bags they use, and that gives them more travel up and down more than airlift. And it's much more affordable than the Universal Air or than the Airlift, and yeah, so I do like this a hell of a lot. And we got the other one right there, it's the same thing. And then we got for the front struts and air coils. Now this one seems to be, oh my god, this thing is so huge, brother. Oh brother, this thing is so huge. But it feels nice. It feels like quality material. It feels like quality. Like this feels quality. It feels heavy, but it feels sturdy. It feels like it's gonna last a nuke. And okay, so here is front right, Air Force, front right. This is where your airline goes. Same thing with the rear struts. I mean, this thing looks so sick. Honestly, it does. And oh shit! And on top here, you put your dampening adjuster to adjust dampening on these struts. There's the ring. And it definitely looks like quality. Honestly, it does look like real good quality. This coilovers or whatever you call them, struts, front struts with back, or yeah, with airbag, no, with air coils, I guess, or coil bags. I don't know what you call this. But yes, it does look like quality. I just wish it was painted more in the yellowish, just to show their brand, because it looks really cool. And I'm really liking this. It's gonna blend very well because it's also a lot black. It's gonna blend really well with the with my current setup on the car. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. This is all that comes in the oh shit, I'm putting this back. This is pretty much all that comes with the air suspension here. So if you guys want to know where I got this from, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link in the description down below. If you guys want to check it out. But I'm really excited to get this on. Next week I'm not gonna upload because I'm gonna go on vacation, as I said in my previous video. But the week after that, I might upload a video. I'm not sure. Because I'm gonna go ahead and start mucking everything up to put in on the car. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take. It usually takes professionals about 8 hours. That means it's probably gonna take me like 3 days or something. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna spend more than 8 hours a day installing this. Okay, so that's it for the Air Force air suspension. I did order something else from Backriders because I was missing something. I was missing some stuff for the 3S system that I thought it came included with the 3S, but it doesn't. I ordered some gauges and some stuff. It's pretty much like a manual system with some presets, time presets. But that's pretty much all there is to it. So if you guys want to check my build, it's gonna be an exhaust and some wheels coming in. Well, the wheels are not gonna come in soon. Most likely the exhaust, because the wheels are custom wheels. That's all I'm telling you. They're custom wheels. They're gonna come in, I say, because December's coming up soon, so it's gonna be by next year. Probably the wheels are gonna be here. There's gonna be some sick wheels, but I'm still deciding. But there's gonna be some sick wheels. They're gonna be custom wheels. They're gonna be no cast wheels or anything for that matter. Not that they're bad, but it's gonna be pretty cool wheels. Also, I'm going to go ahead and put an exhaust on it very soon. So you guys stay tuned for that, because the exhaust is gonna come very soon, and some other goodies in there. So yeah. So you guys, if you guys like the videos, like and subscribe and comment about what else you guys want to see on the channel. I might bring a video from my trip that I'm going next week. So you guys might see that video showing up on after I come back from my vacation. Because I like to put some travel stuff in here too and mix it up a bit, because I like the traveling in cars. That's my life. And music. So you guys like the video, please like, subscribe, and peace.